The boys are outside and now the fun begins. I need to clean stalls. I'm going to be mixing up some homemade weed spray. I've never done this or used it before, so we'll see how well it works and just see where the day takes us. My dad's out working in the garden, so I'll give you a little garden update and just take you along for the day. All right, this is the concoction that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use vinegar, Epsom salt, and soap, and we'll see what happens. I've never used this stuff before, but I'm all about using natural things and natural cleaner like this. They say it works, so we shall see. So let's get to mixing it up here. I'm gonna set this over here. It says a gallon of the vinegar. Let's open this up and put it in here. And then it says 2 cups of Epsom salt, and I didn't bring the scissors out here with me, so not this. Try not to cut our finger off. All right, we're gonna need 2 cups of this, because that's what it says to do. So it's easier to pour in here. And I still missed it. Doing that. Slow. Same again here. See what happens. Put the lid on. Trying to get that salt off of there. Okay. I'm gonna start by spraying this whole area right in here, get rid of all the grass and the weeds. It says it kills grass as well, so be careful where you spray it. So let's see what happens. That whole gallon of spray I mixed up, it didn't go near as far as I thought it would. Of course it never does. I'm gonna kind of see what happens. I may have sprayed too much on it. I may have sprayed too little. I feel like I might have oversprayed it, but I wanted to make sure that the weeds die. So that was my main goal in testing this theory, and I'm gonna probably wait and see what that looks like, and then I need to go to the store and buy more vinegar. I'm gonna clean horse stalls, but before I clean horse stalls, I'm gonna take you over and show you what my dad's been working on in the garden. So this is the garden that we are going to be planting in the ground with. We were just going to do a couple rows of that tiller, like 1, 2, and 3, and then my dad just made it bigger, which is totally fine. He wants to garden in the ground and it gives him something to do. So he's having fun doing it, and he's put some dirt on here on top of the manure that he put in here. He's gonna put some more manure and composting on top and then till it in. So that's what he's doing. Over here's a little sneak peek of our garden. I'm not gonna get too much into this video of the garden right now. I'm gonna do that a separate video on just this garden and what we have done so far. Kind of see how big it is, and that's what we're gonna be working with in the ground. So we're gonna plant some cantaloupe, some squash, probably some more peppers because we have a whole bunch of peppers. So just different things that we're gonna put in the ground here. This morning before it got hot, but it's okay. We're gonna do it now, and I'm actually gonna strip my horse's stall because last few times I've been doing a stall, I had to put sawdust in there because I've been just raking it away from the walls, and there's not a whole bunch in here, even though it looks like there is. I'm gonna be pulling most of it out and cleaning a stall out and putting new bedding in. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I actually enjoy cleaning stalls. Not so much when it's about 95 degrees outside, but any other given day, I really enjoy cleaning the stalls. I always say, if you don't enjoy cleaning stalls, you won't have horses for as long as I have. It is the next day, and I just wanted to give you a little update on the weeds that I sprayed behind me here. And for reference, it's been over 24 hours since I sprayed it, and it rained a lot this morning. It rained close to an inch of rain, I believe. So we just didn't get a little sprinkle. It rained a lot. So here it is, and it works. All this right here, you can see I shriveled up. And you can just tell that I just didn't maybe get it on quite even. Like right here, needed some more, but all that is gone. And you can really notice right here, if you go back and watch the little clip, if you need to rewind, you can see how green all this was. And again as well, you can kind of see where I got half of that right here and the other half I didn't get to. And same thing with all this. This was all real green in here. So I say that was a success. I would say that mixture that I used works, and I will definitely be using it again. I am going to close this vlog out right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment and like this video. And if you are not subscribed, please hit that button, and I'll see you in the next one.